Introducing the game-changing Mitsubishi X-Force, a crossover SUV that's built for modern lifestyles, designed to seamlessly combine elegance, versatility, and robust performance. The front fascia of the Mitsubishi X-Force exudes confidence and sophistication. The dynamic shield grille, a hallmark of Mitsubishi's sign language, is flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide excellent illumination and futuristic touch. Shifting to the side, the X-Force boasts a streamlined and aerodynamic profile that complements its sporty character. Its 18-inch two-tone alloy wheels, wrapped in 225/50 R18 tires. The rear design combines practicality with elegance, featuring sharp LED taillights that create a signature look. The wide opening tailgate allows effortless loading and unloading of cargo, while the clean lines and functional design make the rear as striking as the front. Step inside the Mitsubishi X-Force, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that's both functional and luxurious. The GT variant offers a six-way adjustable driver's seat upholstered in premium synthetic leather with heat guards and brown trim accents. The cockpit layout is ergonomically designed, placing all essential controls within easy reach for seamless driving experience. A 12.3-inch smartphone link display audio system serves as the centerpiece of the dashboard, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. Coupled with a dynamic sound Yamaha and premium 8-speaker system, every drive is both connected and impressive. For the front passenger, the four-way adjustable seat ensures optimal comfort on long journeys. The center console, equipped with cooling functionality and multiple USB ports, offers added convenience. Additionally, the front cabin features subtle ambient lighting to create a relaxing atmosphere during night drives. The second row is designed with passenger comfort in mind. The 40/20/40 split fold seats offer remarkable versatility. Whether you're accommodating passengers or carrying cargo with 8-step reclining functionality and full flat folding capability, these seats make the most out of the available space. Rear air conditioning vents ensure passengers stay comfortable no matter the weather, while the additional storage options make this space as practical as it is comfortable. Practicality meets convenience in the cargo area of the Mitsubishi X-Force. The dual-level cargo space allows for organized storage, accommodating both small and large items with ease. Folding the rear seats flat provides even more room for oversized items, making the X-Force perfect for family trips, sports equipment, or large shopping hauls. Ambient lighting and thoughtful touches throughout the cabin makes every journal feel special. The Mitsubishi X-Force isn't just a SUV. It's a statement of style, performance, and practicality. Whatever you're navigating urban landscapes or embarking on an adventure, the X-Force delivers unparalleled versatility and comfort. Ready to elevate your driving experience? Visit your nearest Mitsubishi dealership and discover the X-Force for yourself. Drive it, live it, love it. I hope you like my videos. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.